Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to add payment method on Google Ads. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Adding a payment method on Google Ads is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. Log into your Google Ads account. Go to the Google Ads website and log into your account. Access billing and payments. Click on the Tools and Settings icon in the upper right corner. Under the Billing section, select Billing and Payments. In the Billing and Payments section, click on Payment Methods on the left-hand side. Click the Add Payment Method button. Choose your preferred payment method like credit card, debit card, or bank account. Enter the required payment information. You have to give your phone number, your name, and your date of birth, etc. and then click Save. Now set as primary. If you want this new payment method to be your primary payment method, select the option to set it as primary. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.